Here it is, guys, 3 epic side dishes for any occasion that you've got coming up, and each one is only 4 ingredients. Yes, 4 ingredients, and so easy and ridiculously tasty. I'm telling you guys, once you eat one of these coconut sweet chili glazed sweet potato pieces, there is no going back. Whoa, that is so good. We're gonna start off with the sweet potato, just get it peeled, chop it into some chunks. Now, my biggest tip for this kind of roasting situation is make sure that all of your potato pieces are in one layer. Give them all a chance to get some really good love in that oven. And now for the saucy glazed goodness part. So get the butter into the pan, wait for it to foam. You want a really beautiful nut brown color because that brown color means nutty, gorgeous flavor. And then add in your coconut sweet chili. Now, I love this stuff. I can't get enough of this stuff. Yes, I make it, but I'm telling you, this stuff is so good. If you can't get a hold of my coconut sweet chili, it won't be as good, but you can use a regular one. And then a little sprinkling of salt, and then all of this goes all over your sweet potato pieces. Now get everything mixed up in there. Make sure every little piece has access to some of that buttery, coconutty, chili goodness. Now cover these with foil, and you want them in the oven for about 30 minutes. Here we go, that steam, that smell making me so hungry already. I mean, I don't even know if these guys will make it to the table as a side dish. I might just start eating them. Anyway, get these guys back in the oven for another 20 minutes so they get all sticky and nice and beautifully golden. Add onto a plate, and finally just a little tiny sprinkling of some spring onion. And there you go, an epic side dish for any time of the year. Not even a side dish. I mean, these guys are just so good. They're like, it's like eating chocolate. This cauliflower has all the flavor. So it is spicy, it's smoky, it will literally knock grandma's socks off this holiday season. This is the cauliflower side that you need. First up, now get that big old cauliflower out and let's slice it into some nice thick steaks, about 1 inch or a couple of centimeters thick, and try to keep the cauliflower intact as much as possible. Now get that out onto a tray lined with foil. Now we want to give these cauliflower pieces some love, and I'm getting all coconutty with my spicy these days, so I'm using my Marion's Kitchen coconut sriracha sauce for this one. Just liberally, lusciously brush that all over the top, and then just for some extra, I'm gonna put some smoked paprika on here because why not? I love the smoky flavor. Just sort of tap that over there, just a little sprinkling of salt to finish that off. Flip those cauliflower pieces over and do the same thing on the other side. Now that's pretty much it, guys. Pop it in the oven, 45 minutes, and then this is what you got. Just try not to pick up those pieces and eat them before you get them to the table because it's really delicious. All right, now I'm gonna get these out onto a plate, and one final little flourish is just some finely chopped pistachios and just a few little herbaceous little leaves there, optional. Herbaceous leaves optional. Now, I have a theory about Brussels sprouts. I think lots of people love them so much because there's always bacon with Brussels sprouts. Now, that's a good thing in my book. Now, to do the cooking, I want to get as much of that awesome bacon fat as possible. So get the bacon in the pan, get it heating up, get it nice and crispy, and then once we've got lots of that rendered fat, drain off those bacon bits, put them off to the side. Don't worry, we're gonna bring them back in later. For now, I wanna get my Brussels sprouts in here and give them a really good soaking in that bacon fat, and then they're gonna get all brown and all awesome. But we need to cook them through also. So pour a little bit of water in there. Oof, watch that steam. Magic. Now put the lid on for a few minutes, and that's just gonna make sure that our Brussels sprouts are cooked through. Now take the lid off and leave it to cook for a little bit longer. I really want that really nice color on that bottom side of those Brussels sprouts. Okay, check this, guys. This is the color you're looking for. Turn these over, have a look, and then pop them all out into a big bowl. Add the bacon back in. Don't forget the bacon. And then now you want a good helping of sweet chili sauce. Now I happen to have my own sweet chili sauce, so I'm using that one, but you know, use whichever one you prefer. I'm just all about the happiness, guys. Whatever one you like, you use here. And then give that a good mix. And then this goes out onto a plate and you're pretty much done. I mean, I'm just adding some slivered almonds just because I like the extra crunch. And I am telling you guys, this is like a match made in heaven. It's sweet, it's salty from the bacon, it's got Brussels sprouts. It's just awesome.